Philly cheesesteak. Hello everyone, it's not traditional or classic, but it's an easier version for anyone who doesn't like handling raw meat. Let's get started. First, sear your chosen cut of beef and then cook it in the oven at 120 degrees Celsius until it reaches an internal temperature of 52 degrees. Leave it to cool down, then slice it as thin as possible. If you would like more information about roast beef, click on the link in the corner of the screen. Fry some shallot or onion until golden, then add the meat. Roast some ciabatta bread. Add provolone and American cheese and melt them on top. Place the sliced cornichon on the roasted ciabatta and top with the meat. Just few ingredients, but lots of flavor. Enjoy and see you in the next video.